Before you begin, remove the rear cover, kickstand, solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, battery, and system board. Removal. Important. On the back of the middle frame, make careful note of the placement of the grounding tape around the fingerprint reader for later replacement. Peel back the grounding tape that covers the fingerprint reader ribbon cable. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader ribbon cable from the smart card reader board. Turn the middle frame over. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the smart card reader board and bracket to the middle frame. Carefully move the smart card reader board bracket and lift the smart card reader board off of the alignment pins on the middle frame. Remove the smart card reader board. Reverse this procedure to install the smart card reader board.